Hello friend, it's my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Laser Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub. I'm a procurement agent, importer and importation coach. If you want to have a business consultation with me about importation business, you can contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. Okay, so with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see how you can import sneakers from China using Pinduoduo app, step-by-step tutorial. So like you can see on the screen right here, these sneakers right here, I'm going to import them from China using Pinduoduo. So when you are on a sales page, you can look at the product color, pictures, and different sizes, things like that on Pinduoduo. Once you're satisfied with everything about the product, next thing you need to do is to add the product to cart. So once you add the product to cart, let's go to my profile. So this is my profile because the order is going to be placed right from my profile after you have added the product to cart. So once you added the product to cart, you have to click on here, then open up this page. So you can see I have added these products in different color. This is black, this is blue, and this is red, different sizes into the cart. So the next thing is to make purchase of this. So for me to purchase this product, I have to click on this dot right here. So I'm going to select this product. I'm going to select this and I'm going to select the third one. Okay, so once you select all the products that you want to make a purchase, so you can see the amount I'm paying for this product right here. I'm paying 86.25 yuan to purchase this product. Okay, so for you to make a payment, you have to click on here to proceed to payment. Then it takes you to a preview page whereby you will need to confirm your order before you finally make payment. So you can see we still have the same different size of the same different size of different color of 3 sneakers. So I'm paying the sum of 86.25 RMB. So for me to make a payment, I have to click on this red bar button right here, and I'm going to make a payment straight up. Boom. So you can see the payment has been done successfully. So once the payment is done successful, you are going to see something like this. So this simply means that your payment has been done successful. You can see the alert here that the payment has been done successful. So we can click on here to close this pop up. It's just a notification that the payment has been done successful. Then we can go back to our profile. By the time I refresh, so you are going to see the product lining up right here. So you can see it right here that we just make a purchase for these 3 sneakers on Pinduoduo, step-by-step tutorial. So this is how you can import sneakers from China using Pinduoduo, different sizes, different color, things like that on Pinduoduo. I hope you guys find follow for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up. And also, if you want to have a business consultation with me about importation from China or some other country of your choice, you can contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more interesting tutorial about China importation and some other importation business. Bye for now.